Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Sunset Pulse Low Dunks.
What are you doing?
But I got a 6.5 in women, and the reason why I'm saying I got 6.5 is because I know I've said in my other videos that I was going down from a 5.5 in men to a 5, so it's only right that I tried a 6.5 because a 5 is a 6.5. I will say before I even start the review, I have worn these shoes because I need to see if they fit or not, really. Because I got a 6.5, I normally get a 7, so I didn't want to walk around with corns on my feet, you know? Or like my toes messed up, or like my toes scrunched up in the shoes. But let me get into the review. So to start it off, we have our normal Nike box. Nothing really special, not to say it like that, but the box is like normal, like a normal Nike box. We have our left shoe. Let me place it right here. And we have our right shoe, okay? Now let me tell you something about these shoes. These shoes can have so many colors, but the shoes are not the same. Like they have the same colors in them, but the placement of the shoes are different. So with that being said, the left is different from the right when it comes to placement of the colors. So these are them. I really like these shoes. At first I did not like them. I was like, there's so many colors in this shoe, and it was giving rainbow. So at first I'm gonna start with the left shoe. On our left shoe, the toe box is purple, like a lavender purple, and then around the toe box this is metallic red. The sole of our shoe is green. Our upper is like a pistachio green, and we have our Nike swoosh in silver that goes all the way to the back heel branding that says Nike in silver. Our heel is this pink color, and we also have a metallic color as well. Our shoelaces on the left shoe are the same green that's on the bottom of the shoe, and they have different tips on them. So they have like the same like periwinkle purple and like a mustard yellow. And our eyelids are silver as well too. The inside of the shoe is brown. On our right shoe, right? Alright, on our right shoe, our toe box is this pistachio green, and around our toe box is this metallic purple. The bottom of the shoe, the sole of the shoe is like a cherry red. It's like a reddish pink, and that's the same color as our laces. Our eyelids are still this silver color. We have our upper is pink. It's like a soft pink, and leads us to our Nike swoosh again. That's silver, goes to the back with our Nike branding on it. We have purple with yellow stitching, metallic red, and we have our tongue that is a it's like a neon yellow, and it has Nike branding on the tongue. And I forgot to mention on the left shoe, the tongue is like a neon blue with the same Nike branding. So let me let y'all get a closer look at the shoe. Favorite things about the shoe. My favorite thing about the shoe is that the versatility of the shoe. Like they're the same colors are on the shoe, on each shoe, but they're in different spaces. And I like how they were able to choose these colors and place them on this shoe the way that they did, because it flows. Really don't have any dislikes, to be super honest. No dislikes. Really, I like this shoe now that I've had it and worn it and stuff like that. But would I recommend this shoe? Absolutely. Do I think you should go get it? Absolutely. You know, let me know in the comments below if you get it. Let me know what you think about the shoe. If you think it is a mess, let me know. If you like it, let me know. Once again, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And just stay tuned for another video. Thanks.